Hello, in today's video, we're going to talk about the best list to pull when reaching out to sellers. Coming right up. You're ready to market to sellers. To find deals, it's very important that you know which list to pull. You want to find distressed property owners to help them out of their situation, to provide value, and to make a profit at the end of the day. If you want to create financial freedom through real estate, you've come to the right place. My name is Joe Homs, and I have over 40 years of experience as a broker, investor, and mentor. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. The first list that I want you to focus on, if you're new to this wholesaling business, is the pre-foreclosure list. And the pre-foreclosure list is very important because we already know that these people are in trouble. Okay, here in California, we have what's called a notice of default. It's a document that's recorded in the county recorder's office and lets everybody in the world know that you've stopped making your mortgage payment. Okay, so you get this information, and those are the first calls that I would make. Pre-COVID, I'd actually go out and knock on their door. So that's the first list that I want you to focus on. Keep watching. I'm going to show you how to get free leads coming up soon. The next list that I want you to focus on is what we call the tired landlord list. Okay, these are landlords that maybe are tired of renting their places out, especially right now that renters may not even be paying their rent every month. And so they're tired of it. They want to get rid of the problem. And these are really, really good lists to end up getting at the end of the day because, again, these are really motivated sellers as well. Are you interested in wholesaling? Comment "Yes, Joe" down below. So the third list that I want you to focus on is a high equity list. And these are people that have owned the property for a long time. Their tenants have already paid the property down. There is no mortgage on the property. So as you can imagine, these people are getting a little bit older. They're getting to be my age, okay? And if you've been dealing with properties as long as I have, you get to the point where, maybe it's time to start selling this stuff off, exchanging it for something else, and, doing other things. So we focus a lot on that type of list as well, cold calling them. All of these three lists are bound to have some owners that are in some sort of stress. This is where you come in. Solve their problem, find an end buyer, or just flip it yourself and make a profit. Okay, here it is. I've got some free leads for you. Look for sale by owner or for rent by owner. You can find them on Zillow. You can find them on Craigslist. These are great leads because they've got all the information that you need. You give those owners a call and simply just ask, are you ready to sell your home? When it comes time to make money in real estate, there's no better skill to learn than sourcing your own deals. You have the option to wholesale, flip, buy and hold. The option's yours. If you're new to real estate and want to know what to say to sellers on the phone, just click on this video right here. I go over the questions that you need to ask so that you get that information from the seller. If you have any other questions, please make sure you subscribe or reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help.